another one, Gagajoy. Gagajoy's chicken. I'm glad you got in today. We're doing a little Mexican, maybe. It's got taco. It's actually a taco casserole. Or you can, and it's one of those things that you can add what you want to, take what you want to. I'm using red kidney beans. You can use a different kind of beans. You can use corn, but I'm just using the red kidney beans today. And this is about 1.5 pounds of brown round. Everybody likes, it seems like everybody likes tacos. And that's, especially when you're going to have 3 or 4, this sort of stretches out to that. Now this is about 1/2 cup of peppers. I'll go ahead and put those in. And this, now you can put this if you don't want to. This is green chilies. The medium green chilies. But now, like I said, if you want to leave it out, you can. Because it's going to be good no matter what you do to it. And see, it's already looking pretty and smelling good. And I've got my oven preheating to 400. Now this has a cornbread topping to it. So, that'll be good. Salt. And you can cook it till you know that the pink is gone and you feel like it's done. They say just till the pink is done, but I always try to let mine go just a little bit longer, just to make sure. Now we are going to put it in the oven for about 20 minutes, so that'll be done. Now I'm going to put a whole package of taco seasoning. I'm using the Paso. And work that in. This is such a good one to make at the evenings when you're just trying to get it something for the kids, you and your family, husband over with, because it's just one pan. And who doesn't like just one pan? Well, it'd be 2 pans because I'm going to put it in a baking dish. I've been working in the sunshine today in my garden. Oh, this is my time of year. You'll usually see me smiling these days. Okay, now I did drain my beans. Like I said, I'm using kidney beans, the dark kidney beans. You use light kidney beans, corn, anything like that you and your family particularly like. We do like kidney beans. It's just sort of like tacos and kidney beans go together. Not really, but you can sing the song. And if you like to smell Mexican, You could run over right quick and smell it because it smells divine. Okay, now this is about half a cup of tomato sauce. And I'm going to put a little bit more. I like a little bit more tomatoey than they do. The last time I didn't think it was that good. I mean, it was good. It just needed that little bit more of tomato sauce. I love these little open and shut things they're making now. While that's cooking, we'll make our cornbread taco. It's just a package of Jiffy cornbread, a cup of milk, and 1 egg. Just stir it up till it's mixed, which is, very easy to do with this. And here, I'm going to put it in a big pan. On top of this, I sort of, instead of using real onions, sometimes I use these canned onions, which is, and everybody seems to like them. My daughter that doesn't like onions, she will eat these. Okay. It's pretty thick, so you have to sort of hold your mouth right to get it to cover. And if you don't, it doesn't really make any difference. But if you're like me, I would like for it to do, but if it don't, we won't worry about it, because a lot of people just put dollops on it. So you can do that too. It's certainly quicker. Well, I just got it out of the oven, and you can see how nice it looks and how wonderful it smells. Let's taste it. See how the bottom is, and the cornbread on top, the cheese and the onions. Let's take a bite. I've been waiting for a while. Yeah, another winner. Gonna make you one tonight. Thanks for coming by and try our casserole, our taco casserole. Have a good week. Remember the joy, and we'll see you soon. Bye.